Wow! Look at this. This automatic welding machine is a total game changer. It can be personalized quickly and is very simple to use. I was welding like a pro in no time. The soft rubber handle helps you hold it comfortably without hurting your hands. The machine can weld all material types like steel, stainless steel, and even underwater welding. You can weld whatever you want, perfect for everyday mechanical work. Anytime, anywhere welding. Anyone can use it. Don't have to be a professional welder. When this machine can help you do everything a professional welder can do. If you watch the video, come here. We would like to give you 50% off and a gift accessory set from the manufacturer. Limited quantity. Also free shipping, 5 years warranty, cash on delivery. If there is any damage to the machine, click the store to order now and get the gift set for free.